So tip number 1, don't waste time managing usernames and passwords with your packing staff. Issue them RFID bands, and with Dispatch Cloud's quick access feature, they can just scan to log in, saving hours and hours of time. So tip number 2, ensure that you've got a good goods in process. It might sound counterintuitive, but ensuring that goods are coming into the business in the right way means that goods can leave the business in the right way. As an example, ensure that you've got the right weights and dimensions for your products, ensure that you've got barcodes for your products, ensure that you've got the correct customer information for your products. By doing this, when it comes to shipping the goods out, courier services can be automatically selected, customs declarations can be automatically completed, and orders can be shipped in seconds. So number 3 is switch from an order-based packing system to an item-based packing system. And what I mean by that is this: rather than scanning order paperwork to find an order and process it, scan the items, and from scanning the items, let the system calculate the best order to ship. What that means is that you can get the orders out faster, but it also means that you can dynamically change the priority of orders while they're in the system, which means that gives you much more flexibility to get the right orders to the right customers in the right time frame. In conclusion, there's lots of different ways that Dispatch Cloud can help you optimize your packing system. One of the things I would say is that exactly how you pack very much depends on the kind of orders and profile of goods that you're shipping. But what Dispatch Cloud does is aim to remove latency from that process and ensure that whatever goods you're shipping, whatever type of orders you're shipping, wherever you're shipping them to, we find the most efficient, most optimal way possible for you to get your goods to your customers.